welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess. I'm a mum of 3 and I post 2 new videos a week. I would love for you to subscribe and stick around for more content. Anyway, let's get into today's video. So today's video is a DIY craft Valentine's Day decor video. As you can see, the heart that we made, and we made some other bits and bobs. Yeah, they're really cheap, easy and quick. I love to decorate over Valentine's, just any occasion really, especially if you can do it for free. So yeah, let me know what you think, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, say hi. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. So bye guys, and happy Valentine's Day.